shi boom 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 boom. Boom shi boom 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 boom.
Explore the jungle, swing from vines, climb a mountain, run with lions, secret tunnels and ancient ruins. Don't you worry, we'll be there soon. Fantastic! That's what you say when you're having a thumping day. Fantastic! Hip hip hooray, get ready for a thumping day.
Boom shi boom 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 boom. Boom shi boom 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 boom.
Years are flapping out, don't be late. We've got new memories to make. Adventure calling from near and far in the kingdom of King Babar.
Fantastic!
That's what you say when you're having a thumping day. Fantastic! Hip hip hooray, get ready for a thumping day.
Boom shi boom 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 boom.
Sorry, Miss Stretch. Are you all right?
Oh, I'm fine, Prince Badou. And, luckily, I have already captured that particular winged wonder.
Captured?
Winged what?
Et voila! My Winged Wonders collection. Photographs of beautiful jungle birds taken by moi.
They're tusk-tastic, Miss Stretch. But what's that empty spot?
Ah, that is a place of honor reserved for the rare and elusive moon loon. Known for her lovely glow-in-the-dark plumage, she subsists on the equally hard-to-find moonberry.
Hey, we found a moonberry bush in the jungle last week, right, Boo?
You did?
We'll take it to you right now. Maybe you can get a picture of the moon loon.
Not so fast. Such an expedition would require weeks of patient planning.
Or we could just go for it.
But we'll need fresh water, binoculars, protection from the elements and wild beasts.
We can get water from a stream, you have binoculars already, and Monroe can guard us with his quill food.
Ah!
Very well. Let's just go for it, as you say. As we go, we should keep our ears open for the moon loon's call. It sounds like this. Attention, s'il vous plaît.
Thumpin'! Let me try. Not so good?
No. If, however, you were attempting to call the razor-beaked bully pecker, you were perfect.
Phew, that's some angry bird.
Au contraire, that was merely a sign of affection. What Prince Badou actually trilled was the bully pecker's love song.
A love song?
Very funny. But now how do we get rid of it?
Bully peckers are very fond of mud buttons.
Good bully bird busting, Boo.
Thanks. Now let's go find that moon loon.
We must proceed with care. The moon loon is a special, precious bird.
A special precious bird could be worth a merry mess of money, Sly.
Here it is, Miss Stretch. A moonberry bush, just like we said.
The moon loon never nests far from her food, so she must be close by.
So let's go for it and find her.
Oh, no, we can't just go willy-nilly. To track the moon loon, one must be patient and watch carefully. Aha! Nibbled moonberries. Clearly a moon loon has been here.
Is that a moon loon feather? I thought it was supposed to glow.
Maybe it's not dark enough yet. Thumpin'!
Whoa!
You see, boys, if one is patient and watches carefully, a moon loon nest.
Wow!
And it appears she is still home.
Awesome!
We'll hide here and wait for her to fly out.
Why wait? I say we just go for it. I'll just set the timer. And...
My moon loon! Oh, what have you done?
Just going for it? We got your picture.
Boo, you forgot to take the lens cover off. No picture.
And no moon loon. Oh, you frightened the poor thing. I do hope she's all right.
Now's our chance, Sly.
Wah! Oh, porcupine down! Bad news, Boo. It's a boot ball.
Prospero! Miss Stretch, wait for us!
Prospero.
Well, at least we know the moon loon's safe.
I hope we can say the same for Miss Stretch. Come on.
Excuse me, madam. I tripped. Allow me to introduce myself. Birdwatcher extraordinaire, Professor Rufus T. Quackenbush, at your service.
How wunderbar to meet a fellow birdwatcher. And hot on the moon loon's trail as well.
I am indeed. In fact, perhaps we could work together, Miss...
Ms. Stretch. And yes, let's do, Professor. Oh, look! Isn't that a web-headed wobble warbler? Oh, false alarm. No time to chat. The moon loon flew this way. Allons-y, allons-y.
Why'd we stop?
Miss Stretch wanted us to. She must have a plan. So now is the time to be patient and watch carefully.
I am so thrilled to be working with such an experienced birdwatcher, Professor Quackenbush.
Please call me Rufus. And where is the loony bird anyway?
Perhaps we can attract her to us with the time-honored loon dance. Oh, come along, Rufus. Flap and hoot! Flap and hoot!
Hoot, 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 hoot.
Now I'm glad we waited. I wouldn't have missed this for the world. Shh.
Oh, I hear the moon loon. Quickly!
I didn't hear anything.
Now I get it. Miss Stretch is leading Prospero away from the loon's nest to keep him from finding her.
No loony bird. Our loopy dance probably scared it away.
Oh, on the contrary, Rufus. All we need to attract her is a friend. Once she sees another moon loon, she'll wing her way right to us.
I'm the friend?
Exactement. You flap and hoot, and I'll prepare to pounce.
Hoot, 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 hoot.
That gives me an idea, Monroe. Isn't there an old pit trap not far from here?
Hey, yeah!
Ta-da! One moon loon. Now Prospero just has to take the bait.
Hoot, 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 hoot.
It's the moon loon! Quickly!
Hey,
Oh, no!
Miss Stretch! Are you okay?
Oh, I believe so, young prince. Oh, but the moon loon!
Nits and gnats! My call lured the real moon loon right to Prospero.
Prospero? Poppycock! This is the very charming Professor Quackenbush, birdwatcher extraordinaire. Do let me get one last photo, Rufus,
I think she bonked her bean, Boo.
of you and your catch. Oh, look at me! I'm going for it!
Here, we'll keep Prospero occupied while you free the moon loon. Say cheese!
Say promote!
where's that boyo with my boot ball?
Oh.
I won't fall for that trick again. Now hand over my loony bird, boyo.
Oh, bravo for summoning the bully pecker on purpose, Prince Badou. And to you, Master Monroe, for freeing the moon loon.
You could still go after her.
Oh, I fear that after tonight she will be looking to make a new nest in some quiet place far from here.
Well, it sounds like you three had a real adventure this evening.
I almost got the moon loon caught, Pappy. But thanks to Miss Stritch, I learned that it pays to be patient and watch carefully.
And thanks to the young prince, I learned that sometimes one must simply go for it.
It seems everyone made the right choices at the right time. Now, might I see the photos you took?
It's too bad you didn't get a moon loon photo for your wall, Miss Stritch.
Are you sure about that?
You did get your photo, Miss Stritch.
My winged wonder collection is complete at last. Moon loon avec goon.
I wonder what happened to Prospero anyway. Hey, Tarsh, Delash, wanna play splash tag with us?
That's a baby game.
Maybe later, Prince Badou. I'm waiting for Uncle Crocodilus to get back from the slogs. He's bringing a letter from my mom. There's his boat! Nobody's steering!
Nits and Nats, it's heading for those rocks.
What do we do? I don't know what to do.
Tersh, you never know what to do. You never have any good ideas.
We gotta start the boat.
Hey, that's my dessert!
Yay, Badou! Fantastic idea!
Uncle Crocodilus, don't worry, I'll save you!
It's a crocodemic. Every crocodile in the slogs has crococrackolitis.
Don't worry, boys. Only crocodiles can catch crococrackolitis. You'll be all right if you stand back, Tersh.
Phew.
Ambassador, you can count on your Celestial friends to help. Now, you should go and get some rest.
Forced to seek help from the elephants. Oh, how embarrassing.
If everyone in the slogs has the croco crackles, that means my mom's sick too. What do we do, King Babar?
Your mother won't be ill for long, Tersh. I know where we can find a cure, but I'll need help. Are you boys ready to go on an adventure?
Ready, your royal captain kingliness, sir?
Then go get berry-picking baskets and meet me at the blimp field.
Pappy, Ambassador Crocodilus didn't even thank you for saying you'd help.
Is that important?
If he's going to be mean, why are we helping the crocs?
Badou, do you think all crocs are bad?
Well, no. Tersh is okay.
Just like not all elephants are good, not all crocs are bad. That's why we're helping them. Good job, lads. But there's a lot of sick crocs who will need these burp berries to make them feel better. So keep picking.
King Babar? Why do they call him? Excuse me.
There's your answer, Tersh. But try not to waste them. Burp berries are hard to find. This is the only patch I know of.
Sick crocs, eh, Sly? They'll pay anything for a cure.
A full load. Good work, lads.
I bet we picked enough to cure every croc in the slogs.
What about Delash and the Ambassador? They need burp berries too.
There's some.
Yay!
Sharp eyes, Monroe. Badou, you and Tersh collect our baskets. Monroe and I will get those last berries for the crocs back at the palace. Whoa!
Badou, thanks for helping my mom and the other crocs.
I know you'd do the same if my family was sick. Pappy, it's Prospero!
Ah, he's stealing my mom's medicine!
Tersh! Oh no! Tersh, stop! We're too high.
Who's down there?
We're going to need a blimp liner to continue this chase. Let's get back to Celestville and raise the alarm.
Right.
Sorry, Badou. Guess jumping on the crate was a bad idea, huh?
Well, kinda.
What do we do? I don't know what to do.
We do what we're doing.
I think we're heading toward Fang Fen. That's where the boss of the Slogs lives. And my mom. Yep, there's the old smuggler's camp.
I bet Prospero was trying to sell our berries to the boss. Tersh! Whoa!
Nits and gnats. We gotta get to Fang Fen and keep Prospero from cheating the boss.
Badou, wait!
Oh. Ah! Yeah! Ah! Yow! Ah!
What are those things?
They're just snapper plants. Every croc in the Slogs knows how to stay away from them.
It might have been a good idea to tell me that.
Sorry, Badou. I never have any good ideas.
How am I gonna get us out of here?
No sign of Cloud Dancer, Your Majesty. Prospero could be anywhere.
Maybe not Monroe. The only use for those burp berries is curing crocs. The other blimp liners can keep searching this area. We're heading for the Slogs.
Okay, there's a little trail we can follow out of here.
Maybe we shouldn't. The only thing that makes a trail like that is a slither snake.
Tersh, watch out! Wow, where'd you learn to do that?
Huh? Oh, that's nothing. Everybody who grew up in the Slogs knows how to do that.
You did grow up here. Tersh, you can get us out.
Me? That's a bad idea, Badou. That's almost as bad as one of my ideas.
Come on, you lead and I'll follow. We'll march all the way into Fang Fen and stop Prospero.
But we can't march all the way anywhere in the Slogs. There isn't enough dry ground to march on. We need a boat or a raft or something.
Tersh, that's a tastic idea.
It is?
Now we just need a pole to push it with. Aha! Ah! Tersh, get to the tree!
But Badou...
Go, 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 go! Whew. Ah! He's coming up!
Yeah, slither snakes are good climbers.
Then why are we up in this tree?
'Cause you said go, 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 go!
Okay, my idea to climb the tree was bad, but you must have some idea what we can do.
We're in a daffodil tree. We just need a big blossom. Tickle it. It's a daffodil flower. Tickle the snake. We ought to go now.
I wish we had a motor. Whoa! You're full of great ideas, Tersh. Fang Fen, here we come.
This is all the treasure we have. You drive a bad bargain, Buffalo. How do we even know these berries will cure us?
Try them.
I was right. Prospero's selling our burp berries. Can't let him get away with that treasure.
Badou, I've got, a tastic idea.
You see, Bosso, it's a fair trade. Your treasure for my burp berries.
They're not his berries. Prospero stole the berries from King Babar.
Who you gonna believe, Bosso? You know how sneaky those elephants can be. You can't trust them.
That's not true, boss. Not all elephants are bad, just like not all crocs are good.
Thanks, Croco-Clowns. I'll be leaving now. Pleasure doing business.
Get him!
Welcome home, baby. I'll be back in a tail shake, okay? Okay, Mom.
That's your mom?
You put a snapper plant in the balloon? Sneaky. I like sneaky.
It was Tersh's idea, your bossiness. Now please help yourselves to a Croco Crackle Cure, a get-well present from Celestville to our friends in the Slogs.
Everything looks to be well in hand here, Badou.
Pappy! Except Prospero got away. But the Crocs are all feeling better.
Where's Tersh? Is he okay?
For helping get the berries here, they made him boss for the day.
Save some berries for the other croc villages. And maybe we should plant some berry seeds to grow our own bushes.
I think making Tersh the boss was a very, very good idea.
I couldn't agree more, Badou.
Hey, guys!